In the year 2009, 1,93,000 candidates had appeared for preliminary exam of UPSC, and by the year 2019, in the span of just 10 years, how much this number have grown? 3 lakh, 4 lakh, no, 5,68,282. Now you must be thinking that since the number of application has growing so fast, the number of vacancies must also be increasing at the same rate. There were 989 vacancies in 2009, which instead of increasing become 927 by 2019, and in 2020 it reduced further and become 796. And there are 24 services of UPSC included in this, like the IAS IPS IFS. In mains, the selection ratio, which was 1 out of 200 in 2019, it has now become 1 out of 600%. So when the vacancies are decreasing and the chance of getting a selection in that also decreasing, then why are more and more people applying for UPSC? When we started reaching about it, we came across a lot of shocking fact, and we are going to discuss all that in today's video. We will also discuss between an IAS officer and IAS coaching mentor who earn more money and in a legal manner. Namaskar, I am Pankaj and I welcome you to all today's new video. First of all, let us discuss how big the Indian UPSC coaching industry and how does it work. The UPSC examination structure itself is such that the different coaching centers work differently. The same coaching classes cover the entire process, and some coaching classes focus on the specific area or a subject. Speaking to the top coaching classes which cover the entire process, they charges a fees of 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh, and the small coaching centers charges 10,000 to 1 lakh as a fee. It also depends upon whether they are covering the whole process or a particular subject, but the experts believe that the size is around 3,000 crores and around 600 UPSC coaching center operated in India. If we look at a number state-wise, we can see on the screen that most coaching centers are in Delhi NCR 178, and after that shockingly Kerala ranks second with 111 coaching centers. With this UPSC craze running high, it is not only the coaching center getting benefit, this industry is also one of the fastest growing industry. Therefore a lot of edtech startup focusing on this sector and getting the fundings, and many retired IAS IPS officers are also entering in this industry because the opportunity is quite high. Then how this coaching industries foster hope in the business of hopes? And first reason, many parents wanted their kid to become IAS IPS officer. Still, it is not enough to create a hope for the candidate that out of 5 lakh candidates, so he or she can get selected from those 1000 vacancies. Here the role of coaching centers ads also play an important role, and whether these ads claim it is not necessary to be true. So let us understand that first. In 2017, after the UPSC examination, final vacancies were 990, and one out of Delhi's coaching center ALFA claimed that out of 990, 224 candidates have got selected from their institute, whereas another popular coaching center Vajiram and Ravi claimed that their coaching centers has yielded more than 400 selections. Another coaching center from Delhi Chanakya claimed that 355 candidates have been selected from their coaching center. If we add all these three numbers, it will be more than the total number of UPSC vaccine in that year. So these coaching centers ads foster a hope in the candidates that they can also become an IAS IPS officer. The question whether these UPSC coaching centers earn more than an IAS IPS officer. If you talk about an IAS officer, after the 7th pay commission, the starting basic salary of IAS officer is 56,100, which increase up to 2.5 lakh as you gain experience, and after the adding components like DRA, HRA, TA, the entry level of IAS salary becomes 1,32,000. And if you see an IAS officer salary which is available on record, but there have been many candidates where was IAS officers, one involving taking illegal benefit of worth crore of rupees. Although not all IAS officers are corrupt, but the few IAS officers who commit corruption are caught in the scam of crore of rupees, like Pooja Singla, who was caught in the NG Narega scam ED in 2012 year between 2006 to 2010 and arrested for the embezzlement of 18 crore. So there have been many cases where IAS officers were caught taking bribes. So a simple conclusion is drawn here that if an IAS officer is committing corruption, then he may certainly earn more than an IAS coaching center. But if there is an honest IAS officer, the star teacher of an IAS coaching classes earn more money. So we were talking about these IAS officers. Few things are much more than the monetary terms like job security and the power of IAS officers and the respect of being an IAS officer. So this was the detailed analysis of our UPSC coaching centers. So if you like this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe our channel. Thank you.